Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make easy bagel toppings. Let's dive right into creating delicious combinations for your morning bagel. We'll begin with a classic, versatile base, cream cheese. From there, we can explore both savory and sweet options to elevate your breakfast experience. Get ready to transform your plain bagel into a gourmet treat in just a few simple steps, using ingredients you likely already have on hand. For a fantastic savory option, let's make an everything bagel cream cheese. Take about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and mix in 1 generous tablespoon of everything bagel seasoning. For an extra kick, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh chives. Stir it all together until well combined. This simple blend offers a burst of flavor and texture, perfect for any toasted bagel, making your breakfast truly satisfying and delicious. If you prefer a sweeter start to your day, try this delightful honey nut cream cheese. Combine 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of rich honey. Then, fold in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped walnuts or pecans for a lovely crunch. A small pinch of ground cinnamon will beautifully complement the sweet and nutty flavors. This topping is wonderfully creamy and offers a comforting, sweet indulgence. For an incredibly quick and fresh option, let's combine cream cheese with fruit. Start by spreading a thin layer of plain cream cheese on your toasted bagel. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of your favorite fruit jam or preserves, like strawberry or apricot. For an extra burst of freshness and texture, top with a few fresh berries or some thinly sliced banana. This simple combination is vibrant, sweet, and ready in moments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.